Pi Network has emerged as a cryptocurrency phenomenon, allowing users to earn Pi for free through mining on their mobile app. However, for many, accumulating more Pi is the primary goal, and offering goods and services has proven to be the most effective strategy to achieve this. Offering goods and services is the most effective way to accumulate Pi because it provides real value in exchange for Pi. Instead of relying solely on daily mining, this approach significantly accelerates your Pi accumulation. Here are a few reasons why this is a smart approach. By offering goods or services, you can immediately earn Pi in return. This differs from mining, where Pi accumulation depends on your daily activity levels. Economic activities within the Pi network ecosystem contribute to strengthening the community as a whole. By participating in this ecosystem, you not only earn Pi faster, but also expand your network within the Pi community. For those serious about accumulating Pi, offering goods and services can be a beneficial additional income source. It opens up opportunities to diversify your Pi portfolio. Join the Hot Token airdrop on Telegram. Get free hot tokens by participating in our exclusive airdrop on Telegram. Follow the links in the description section of this video to join and claim your rewards. Don't miss out on the opportunity to earn hot tokens and start exploring the innovative blockchain ecosystem. You are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and the like buttons. This enables the algorithm to share this video with other fellow pioneers around the globe. Before you start offering goods and services, it's essential to have a deep understanding of the Pi network community. This includes understanding preferences, needs, and trends within this community. Conducting simple market research can help identify existing opportunities. Once you have a good understanding of the Pi network community, the next step is to choose products or services to offer. These products or services should be relevant to the needs or interests of Pi network users. For example, it's services, graphic design, or even physical products like exclusive merchandise. After selecting the products or services to offer, determine a competitive offer strategy. This includes setting fair prices and developing an effective marketing strategy. Unlike mining strategy where outcomes can vary, offering goods and services allows you to have greater control over your income potential. One key to success in offering goods and services for Pi is leveraging the right platform to promote your offer. This may include social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, as well as specialized forums or groups related to cryptocurrency or the Pi network. By actively participating in these communities and building a reputation as a reliable seller, you can attract interest from more Pi network users. Maintaining the quality of products or services you offer and providing good customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and gaining positive reviews. Keep communication open with your customers and provide satisfactory solutions to any issues or needs they may have. This not only enhances trust, but can also generate positive word-of-mouth referrals within the Pi network community. By setting competitive prices and providing responsive, high-quality customer service, they not only accumulate more Pi, but also build a strong reputation among fellow Pi network users. This results in positive referrals and enhances their long-term income potential from the platform. Offering goods and services is a smart and effective strategy for increasing your Pi accumulation in the short term while strengthening the Pi community ecosystem overall. By taking these steps and leveraging opportunities within the Pi network ecosystem, you can maximize your potential to earn and accumulate Pi more efficiently. Investing in community, understanding, selecting relevant products or services, and executing effective marketing strategies can help you build a successful business within this platform. Don't hesitate to utilize available resources such as community forums and social media to promote your offerings and expand your network within the Pi network community. Start offering your goods and services now and earn more Pi. In a noteworthy news update, with over 200,000 active Pi nodes on the testnet, Pi network reaffirms its position as one of the largest distributed systems globally. The latest updates announced will bring significant enhancements to the processing capabilities and security of Pi nodes. The goal is to ensure that each Pi node can meet the complex demands of the upcoming open network. The preparations also include optimizing node software, testing scalability, and ensuring comprehensive data integrity. For node operators, this announcement brings promising news. They will not only play a role in a global network, but also have the opportunity to actively contribute to the computational power of the Pi network. Furthermore, node operators will be rewarded with Pi coins as an incentive for their active participation in maintaining and expanding the network. This progressive step not only signifies the maturity of Pi network's technology, but also demonstrates its commitment to building a robust and secure decentralized ecosystem. For the Pi network community, these updates are not just cause for celebration, but also highlight the real potential of Pi nodes to influence the future of blockchain technology globally. With ongoing innovations and preparations, Pi network is steadily advancing toward its vision to lead the blockchain revolution. Strong support from the community and a dedication to delivering innovative solutions position Pi network as a project to watch in the development of future technology. By staying informed on these developments, Pi network users and investors can feel confident in the progressive steps taken by the platform towards a more inclusive and efficient open network. A car dealer in Hainan, China has recently made headlines by accepting payment using PIXELVERSE. In a move that has surprised many, the dealer sold 5 cars using the increasingly popular cryptocurrency. This move is a clear example of how cryptocurrencies are beginning to permeate various aspects of daily life, including the automotive industry. The dealer in Hainan has demonstrated courage and innovation by accepting PIXELVERSE as a legitimate payment method. This decision has not only caught the attention of the Pi network community, but also the wider public, who are starting to recognize the significant potential of digital currencies. This transaction quickly became a hot topic in various cryptocurrency forums and social media groups. Many see this as a step towards broader adoption of PIXELVERSE in everyday transactions. While only 5 cars have been sold using PIXELVERSE so far, the potential for wider usage in the future is immense. The Pi network community has responded enthusiastically to this news. Discussions and speculations about the next steps for PIXELVERSE abound across online platforms. But many community members are optimistic that this marks the beginning of broader acceptance of PIXELVERSE as a legitimate payment method. Don't miss out on valuable insights and actionable tips that can potentially shape your financial future. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrencies and uncover the untapped potential that lies within.